Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay guide. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to withdraw or delete request money from friend in your Alipay account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay app. So with that being said, let's get started. So when you send a request for money from friend or family or relative, and you want to withdraw it or you delete it, what you need to do is to make sure you head over to your chat box right here, click on your message section right here, and it's open up like so. Then make sure you click on the person that you send the money request to, click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on withdraw right here, then click on yes. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to withdraw your money request sent to a friend in your Alipay account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.